Hey everyone, welcome back to the studio. Excited to create something new today.
Every time I breathe, I don't snap, I simmer, I don't scream. Therefore, I learn control from fear, not grace, not God, just consequence. I try to become, I try to be good, but calm feels like lying. And good feels misunderstood. No crown, no cause, no savior. I'm just a fucker with a violent nature, cut from pressure, bred for failure. I'm just a fucker with